fun. This is from Temptations also, your wooden spring home sign. I mean, come on, nothing like saying home and spring. Like, this is really good. $23.96. Your saving is over $9 off your easy pay, $7.99 to be able to get this home. And we do have it in 2 different patterns. So this one here, look how fun. And look, the O is actually a butterfly. This is Flutter. So if you just want spring themed, this is a really good one to get. And then the one that's here in front of me, if you're going for more of the bunny rabbit and the Easter fill, this one is your egg hunt, and the O is your little bunny rabbit. How adorable.
Yeah.
Okay,
Perfect
this
size,
is good.
Perfect shape, and I'm going to tell you why you're never going to take this down. Because one side has that beautiful spring pattern for sure.
Yep.
But watch, I'm going to do it backwards.
Uh-oh.
But watch this.
What?
If you
Come on,
just want
backwards.
to leave it out, right, you can turn everybody around.
We love it.
And it's that solid white on both sides.
We love it.
Now you have your choice. So
Yeah.
when the holiday goes away or the spring and it becomes fall, you still have a beautiful home sign for your mantle.
love it.
Isn't this so much fun?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Wooden has great height, has great presence, and I love the fact that this is the heart of the Temptations brand. It is all about home. It's about gathering around the table.
Yeah.
You know what's so much fun is layering these down a table. A sideboard. Right? Where would you put it in your house?
So I'm a fireplace girl. I love putting stuff on the fireplace
Love
mantle.
that.
So I would totally put it on the fireplace mantle. But then I actually have a really big kitchen island that I love.
Oh, you do?
And I keep it pretty empty. Like, I don't like a lot of things on it, but I would put this on it, especially,
I love that.
let's say I was having some friends over and a little brunch buffet set up on there. I would put this right there in the middle and set up around it.
Yeah, that looks so beautiful. I loved just seeing it on the fireplace right there. At 8 inches tall, it's that perfect size. So anywhere you would put a flameless candle, right? This is now perfect. You can even layer your flameless candles behind here, and the sign then becomes illuminated. But whether it's spring or here's our Easter right here, this is just absolutely adorable. By the way, you can lay them down flat as well.
Yeah.
So, you know, there's so many different ways to do this. It's just so much fun.
Look at that. So I'm going to lay it down just so you can see what that looks like. And even we have a little
Isn't that
couple of
so
little
sweet?
eggs. Look how cute that is. Adorable. So think about all the places that you can put this in your home, from that fireplace mantle, on that dining room table, on that kitchen island. And it's like you said, home is where the heart is. It's where, you know, we love being and spending the majority of our time is at home. And home should feel that way. And you want it to feel that way, not just for you, but for anybody else who enters your home. So that's the beautiful thing about it. There only are 2 choices. The egg hunt, the one that's in front of me, that's been very, very popular. We have less than 400 left here in the egg hunt. And then we have that gorgeous Flutter with that butterfly. Now, this is our most limited option, less than 300. So if you just want more of a spring theme, get that Flutter. And again, no reorder.
No reorder.
So I wouldn't wait. These are super there's just something about the word home that just brings like warmth to your heart.
Sure, again, it's like a hug for everybody. And what I love about this is whether you're decorating a large space or your smaller space, an assisted living, a small apartment. My mom was in a really small apartment. So these pieces pack a lot of punch because it's great for a decoration. She never has to take them down. Yet it really is meaningful to her and to the people that come to her home.
You know what I might do?
Tell me.
I might go ahead and put some command strips on the back of these.
Okay.
And put them on the wall.
That's a great idea.
Why not? And they, you know, with this, you know, those command strips, they can come right off so they won't damage the wall. So I would totally maybe put these on a wall and put some beautiful family pictures around it.
What a great idea. So this is now your anchor. Yes. Right? And then you decorate around it, whether it's pictures, whether it's garland, whether it's flameless candles. This is going to be the anchor for your decorating. I love it on the coffee table right there. We showed it on a mantle, on a sideboard. I did this last year. I put it down the center of my table and I had a buffet.
Nice. See?
So it said home, and then everybody gathered around the table.
Yeah, that's just how it works. That's typically how it works. You put something down like that, like this, like everybody is. It's just it's just that word that draws you, like to be around loved ones, and you know the importance of home. And I think we've all realized the importance of home over these past 3 years.
Yes.
So such a beautiful way to be able to display that. Really, really pretty. People are picking up more than one. Very smart, because you're saving 25% off. These are on a clearance price. It's the first day you're seeing them presented it on this clearance price, and there is no reorder once they're gone.
Yes.
So pick these up, whether you're getting these for yourself. What if you know somebody who just bought a house, just moved into their first apartment, you want to gift them something? What a beautiful gift, right?
Yeah, absolutely right. And think how often you use the word home.
Yeah.
It means so much to us. It means safety. It means love. It means gratitude. We say, what time will you be home? Are you going
It's
home?
true.
Right? So that's why it's so much fun to have these pieces that spell out the word that means so much to all of us in our lives and in our families.
I love that. So again, 2 choices. You have it here in what we're calling the egg hunt. How fun is this? If you want something that's a little bit more Easter themed with your little bunny rabbit. And then if you want something a little bit more spring themed, this one is called Flutter with that butterfly. How pretty is that? Just adds a little special touch to any space that you're going to put it in. $23.96 to get that home.